Hello everyone, welcome to DaveTech YouTube channel, and in this video I will be sharing with you guys the only Unlinked code I'm using on my Android TV throughout the month of April. So I'm doing this video a little bit late. Today is the 10th of April. I should have done it earlier. So I just want to share with you guys the Unlinked code I'm using on my Android TV throughout April, and why is it that I'm using that Unlinked code. So please, this is going to be a wonderful video, and I'll highly recommend watch the video right up to the end. And if you find it helpful, you know what to do. Please like, subscribe, and share. Your likes, your subscriptions, they are the ones that encourage us to be able to create more videos day in, day out. So I want to appreciate everyone who has subscribed, everyone who has dropped a like or a comment. Whatever little thing you do, it might seem little to you, but it means a lot to us creators. So thank you so much for all your support in this channel so far. But anyway, I don't want to waste your time. Let's get started. So talk about Unlinked. Before we get to the Unlinked code, we have to install the Unlinked application to our Android TV. So here's my Android TV over here, and just like user, I'm using a USB mouse or a Bluetooth mouse. Whatever option you choose, it's better in navigating than the normal TV remote. Anyway, if you don't have an Android TV, or if you want an Android TV box, if you want to improve or upgrade your Android TV box, in the description of this video there is a couple of Android TVs that I've added that I would recommend to anyone that is watching my YouTube channels. For me, those are one of the most affordable, best quality TV boxes. So check them out and get yours one if you're looking for one. But anyway, let's go ahead. So for us to get to the Unlinked application, we have to start by installing it to our Android TV. Now, I believe that some of you already know how to install Unlinked, and maybe some of you already have the Unlinked application on your Android TV, so you don't have to learn how to install it. So you can just follow the video to the part where I talk about Unlinked. But I believe 80% of those who are watching my videos are those who are watching for the very first time, so they do not know how to install Unlinked on their Android TV. So I always love to start by showing them how to install the Unlinked application to the Android TV. So to install Unlinked is quite simple. Go over to the download application. Here's mine over here. But if you do not have downloader so far, please go back to your Google Play Store if you have on your Google TV or Android TV and install downloader. If you don't have Google Play Store, go back to any browser that you have on your Android TV and just search the downloader application. So once you search downloader, sorry, that's wrong. So just go over here and search downloader. If you search downloader like this on your browser, any browser will work as long as your TV runs on Android operating system. Any browser in this case is going to work. So once you search downloader app or just downloader, whatever option you go, please make sure that internet is stable. Mine has been shaky this couple of days, so I just hope it lets us do this video. So let me see if Wi-Fi. So please make sure they are connected to a stable network. If you're not, you are going to face some difficulties like me right now. So anyway, just give me a couple of seconds, sorry. So now mine is connected. Let me hope that this is going to be faster. Let's try again. Okay, here. So here's the download application on your browser, and choose the first option that goes to the Google Play Store. Now you're going to get the download application here on your browser. If it's your first time using your browser to install applications from Google Play Store, they will ask you to log in with your Google account. It's very simple. Just go ahead and log in with your Google account and Google password. Then you're good to go. You can install the downloader straight away to your Android TV, and then you can go ahead and launch it. So once you launch downloader, this is how it looks like. The reason why installing downloader is because we need to use the downloader to install the Unlinked application. It's simpler from here. So go out to the shortcode. Now downloader has changed from the one we had like 2 months ago. So go over here and type in this shortcode to install the Unlinked application. The shortcode is 10381 10381. So that's the shortcode. I've used this shortcode for the better part of 2 years, and it always works. So 10381 is the code. Just type it and wait for it to launch, and it's going to redirect us to the page where we will download and install the Unlinked application to our Android TV. So once the link has loaded, here's the app. It's going to download to our Android TV. Once it's done downloading, we'll install it to our Android TV. So just give me a couple seconds, let the app completely download, and then I'll show you how to install it to your Android TV. Okay, here's the application. Now just click on install, and wait for it to install to your Android TV, and we'll get going. So here's the Unlinked application. It's very simple to install to your Android TV, as you've seen me done. Just load in the code on downloader and the application is installed. Please do not open it straight away. Go over here and delete the app file. Click delete, and also delete from here, so that your Android TV will not have unoccupied or will not have unnecessary use space. So anyway, go back to our unlinked application that has been installed. So here's it over here, and launch it on your Android TV. So as you launch it, here's how it looks like. Now I just want to say the only code I'm about to show you is not the only unlinked code. There are lots of different unlinked codes out there. There are some that are outdated, there are some that are recently updated, and so on. There are tons of different unlinked code, but for me, this is the only one I'm going to be using in the month of April because it gives me all the things or all the applications that I need on my Android TV. So to put it in is very simple. Just go over to the enter button over here and make sure that your keyboard pops up and type in this. So the unlinked code I love using a lot is this unlinked code everything. This is my favorite unlinked code, or for me it's the best unlinked code for Android TV, and I use it. I use just it on my Android TV. On Fire Stick and other devices I use different codes, but this one on my Android TV is the only one I use. Now I've gotten comments, people saying that it doesn't work for them, and I always don't know why. But some reasons this code might not work for you. It maybe because you type in two words, or maybe there's a space at the end or a space at the beginning. But if you type in exactly what you see me do over here, like everything, no space, all is one word, no gaps. If you type in that either in capital letters or lowercase, whatever option, try it on your Android TV and it should work perfectly. So as you type in this, for instance, mine is in uppercase, it works. Sometimes when I type in lowercase, it also works. So just try yours either in uppercase or lowercase. So here's it over here, and I just go ahead and enter. Now once I go over here, the reason I love this unlinked code, I'm going to be hiding everything down here. The reason I love this unlinked code is because all the applications are always updated. As you can look up here, you see the last applications. For instance, this one was updated on February 13, 2026. So that's one thing I love about this unlinked code. So for instance, if I come down to, let me see, a media player that I want to install, I always come to this library to install media players. I love installing my media players from this library. So for instance, I'll go over to this media player, I see that all updated like a month ago, February 13, 2026, and can browse through to see all the updated. So that's the reason I love this library, because all the applications with time are always being updated. And if you have an Android TV, for me, I recommend just this unlinked library for you, because it has updated applications, and if there is a problem, an application goes out of date, all you have got to do is just come over here and you see that the application has been updated or the new version has been added to this library. So that's the reason I prefer this library on my Android TV over other libraries, because I always come here for updated application. But anyway, you can make your own choice. If you are looking for other library codes, I have a video with about, I think, 80 different library codes that you can try on your Android TV, Fire Stick, or Google TV. So you can try them out. So install an application is very simple. For instance, I want to download this, just click on download and download. Once you're done downloading, you can go ahead and install it straight away to your Android TV. So anyways, I'm going to end the video here. I've showed you my favorite unlinked code that I'm going to be using throughout the month of April. And if you find it helpful, let me know. If you want me to share other unlinked codes, let me know. And if there's a question or comment, please do not hesitate to drop it down and I'll look into it. So see you in the next video, and please don't forget to like and subscribe.